Lesson 4, Grammar and Expression. Welcome to Lesson 4. In this lesson, we'll explore resources of grammar and expression, how well you use grammar and vocabulary to communicate clearly and naturally. This criterion checks two things. 1. Range, how varied your grammar is. 2. Accuracy, how correctly you use it. Range means using a variety of grammar structures, not just simple sentences. This includes tenses, modals, and conditionals. For tenses, use different tenses to show time. Role-play examples: you've been feeling tired for 2 weeks, right? Present perfect. You're recovering well after your surgery. Present continuous. He had some difficulty before, but now he's improving. Past simple. Tips: mix tenses naturally. Past for history, present for now, future for plans. Next, for conditional and modals. Conditionals and modals help you give advice and instructions clearly. Role-play examples. First conditional: if you exercise regularly, your blood pressure will improve. Modal for advice: you should take this medicine after food. Modal for suggestion: you can use short sentences to help him express himself. Tips: use if present, will for clear advice. Accuracy. Accuracy means using grammar correctly so your meaning is clear. A few small errors are okay, but avoid mistakes that confuse your listener. A. Subject-verb agreement examples. Your results show high cholesterol. Correct version: your result shows high cholesterol. It helps you sleep. Wrong. Correct version: it helps you sleep. B. Articles and prepositions. Examples: you need to take medicine in morning. Wrong. Correct version: you need to take medicine in the morning. Next. You will have injection on left arm. Wrong. Correct version: you'll have the injection in your left arm. C. Word choice and flow examples. 1. Control your mental. Wrong. Correct version: focus on your mental health. You will feel bit confident. Correct version: you'll feel a bit more confident. Expression: speak naturally. Expression means using natural sounding phrases, not textbook sentences. Examples: let me reassure you. So what that means is 3. In that case, you should. Role-play samples. In that case, you should check your blood pressure daily. Let me reassure you. We'll go step by step. So what that means is, his muscles are getting stronger. To score well in resources of grammar and expression, remember: show range, tenses, modals, conditionals. Keep accuracy, check small details. Use natural expressions, connect ideas smoothly. Record a role play. Did you use different tenses? Did your grammar stay clear? Did you sound natural?